A new generation of photographic styles has been introduced with iPhone 16 and later models. We can now set a default photographic style in camera settings that's going to be applied to every photo that we take. There are also more style options that adjust specific colors in certain parts of your photos. Keeping this set to standard is going to retain the default iPhone camera look. When we're in the camera app, we can tap the Photographic Styles button up here to change or edit the currently selected style. Notice that we start with standard. To the left, we have a variety of undertone styles such as gold and cool rose. To the right, we have moods such as vibrant and dramatic. When any of these are selected, we can adjust the style by dragging this circle on the square below. Move the circle up and down to adjust the tone, and move it side to side to adjust the color. As we do that, those numbers change above. Use this slider to adjust the palette's number. When making these adjustments, we can quickly reset to the default style with a tap on the circular back arrow here. Notice that all of this is being done before taking the photo. But photographic styles are non-destructive, so they can be removed and edited after taking the shot as well. Most of these styles are fairly subtle. One that's not is the stark black and white style. This essentially turns your iPhone into a black and white camera. So I'll take a shot with that style applied. Then, when editing in the Photos app, we're able to select the Photographic Styles button here and adjust the look of the applied style. Or we can switch to any of the other available styles, including standard, which again is the default iPhone camera shot. The Photographic Styles adjustment is available in the Photos app for all the images that we shot with the iPhone 16 model or later. We're not able to apply these styles to images that were not shot with an iPhone 16 because the color and tone data for all the available styles is saved when the shot is taken. So if you have an iPhone 16 model or later, applying a photographic style, either before or after shooting an image, allows more creative control and options than ever before.